Group projects. Working on a group project as a computer science student is certainly something else. On one hand, it can be a great experience to work with others, collaborate as a member of a team, gain experience with version control in the group setting. But on the other hand, you have to actually work with other CS students. Now this is not always bad. There are lots of amazing people who study computer science, but some of the people who can be in these groups are sometimes not ideal. First off, you've got the vibe coder. This guy is just vibing. Every class, every question, everything goes into ChatGPT. Need a nice user interface? This guy just asks AI. Who cares if the buttons work or not? How about security for your database? The vibe coder doesn't care. Whatever your project needs, you can be sure that regardless of quality, the vibe coder and his AI have got it covered. Next, you have the guy who is just absolutely locked in. This is the guy who is on top of everything. They make sure everyone is doing their tasks, always checking in with the group, asking for feedback. This is the type of person you want in your group. And hey, if one of those project tasks is too difficult, there's no need to worry. This guy has got it covered. This person would happily build the entire project from scratch while the rest of the group draws in coloring books if that's what's needed. The next one I'm going to call the no coder. The no coder is that guy who just can't code, not even in the slightest. This person is the opposite of being locked in. Need him to write a for loop? This guy is typing into his search bar before he even opens an IDE. Now sometimes this guy can also be a vibe coder, but not always. Sometimes they just don't care enough about the project to do even that. Now not all people in computer science are like this obviously. Most of the time it would be rare to get people like these in your group. But anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed.